Hi and welcome to Notifyre. In this video, you will learn how to receive faxes in Notifyre's online portal. Let's get started. Add a fax receive plan. Then order a new number. Or port existing numbers into your Notifyre account. Once your number is active, you can see received faxes by clicking on Receive in the Activity dropdown. When you have received a fax, you can use the filters to search. Use the date picker. Enter the to or from number, or search by read status. You can also export fax data. Unread faxes will appear bold. To view the fax document, click on the three dots and download the fax as a PDF. When you receive a fax, you'll receive an email notification alerting you to the new fax. If you need to change this email, simply adjust your notification settings in your account. Thanks for choosing Notifyre. For more tips and tutorials, visit our support page or contact our 5-star support team.